Ladies and gentlemen of Germany, it's me, NYSEinstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. As you can see from my eyes, I am tired. I've had a long week. This week has been really quite a roller coaster ride. Today continued that feeling for me of sell side with conviction. Whether it was profit taking for the end of April, this has been a fairly ruthless 7 days in a row. Since last Wednesday, we've really seen, ever since it hit those technical highs in the Dow and the S&P, we've seen these sell sides with conviction. The sell sides have been drastic. Okay, granted, we've only sold off about 500 points from the high of about 18.2. Okay, we got down to 207, so about 44, 40-ish on the S&P. Right, we were at 211, 2011. We're at 207 at this point, 207, 208. But it's been a sell-off. It really has. Today, for me, what was significant was we were down almost 200 points at one level. Okay, it has nothing to do with oil, but for me, what really was the cap on the counter was the fact that gold surged, the VIX surged. Gold was up $27. So for me, that's really, people was a flight to safety, right? VIX was a protection against their positions, volatility index, fear in the market. Okay, a big move either way. Today it was down. And gold, a mover, you sell equities in a big way and you buy something you can hold that's shiny that you can put in your pocket. So for me, that's significant, right? The significance of the day. We've got 7 days of conviction selling, ending in a capitulation. Well, not really a capitulation, a major scoop, bob and weave in gold. And a big pop in the VIX. We were at 12, we're at 16 now. So for me, I don't know what May will bring. You know, usually this is the strongest last 2 weeks of April, right? We didn't see that. We saw severely negative. Then we see a sell in May go away. I don't know. That has not worked the last couple of years. So we saw a big sell-off in the end of April after a massive rally from February 11th. These are significant periods of time, conviction, reality, in a positive way for the first quarter after a decimation in the first 6 weeks of the year. So these moves have been really radical. People have been tossed and turned. This has been one of the worst years for hedge funds. Okay? There is no perfect world here. I guarantee you there's nobody who's picked the lows and picked the highs and played this game in a perfect way. The people I know who are trading this market are being battered around like a seagull in a hurricane. So for today, I'm going home. I've been battered around too, as you can see from the hair. I could be Bernie. I could be Trump. I could be Hillary. But I could be really tired, and it's Friday, and I'm going home. Big sell day. It rallied off the close. Right? We had a big buy program. For me, that felt like a big short cover. People not wanting to go home for the weekend with any kind of a position because anything can happen here. Right? The beginning of May is historically a big time. So let's put it to bed for the night. We ended up flat. We had a little bit of a win. Happy about that. We love you all. NYSE Einstein. Peace and love. Out.